Today I want to show you a very beautiful project made by Maxim from Ecuador. He comes from Russia, but he has sent me the videos of his project, and I'm excited. It looks so beautiful. It looks like he used some kind of mirror glass or metal mirror sheets. I don't know. I have to ask him. And he gave me permission to publish this Waterwalls, which he has produced, and therefore I have given him free access to our Waterwall developers playground, and he told me he will also publish more videos and pictures in the Waterwall developers playground, as I think we're going to work together. So I'm sure I can learn something from Maxim, and I'm also sure I can teach something to Maxim. And he has sold some of those Waterwalls, and looks like he wants to do more Waterwall business. So I'm very happy that I can support him. And if you are somebody who would like to start a Waterwall business, or if you have already built a Waterwall, I would appreciate if you share your pictures and videos with me and with our community in the Wawazen Waterwall School, so that we can learn from each other, and so that we can support each other. And I promise you that you will be very satisfied, because I'm rewarding and I'm honoring everybody who is sharing his projects with me, so that I can share it with all the members, so that we, as I said, learn and support each other. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe at wawazen.net for free, and please send me your videos of your projects, and I would be very glad if you give me permission to publish them too. As you can see here, these wonderful 3 Waterwalls from Maxim from Ecuador. They're so beautiful, and I'm so happy that he gave me permission to share it. So hope to see you soon. Maybe we can start a business together. Please subscribe and contact me wherever you are in the world. I'm sure we can do a business together, so that you can serve your customers in your region. So thank you again. Bye bye.